Hello? The Mini's all finished. Hang on a minute, it's blue. What's going on with it being blue?
It's me road Mini. I'm getting it ready to finish it, sell it. The boot's a bit like your wallet, it won't open.
Right, so the boot won't open then?
No.
But you reckon you got a fix for it, do you?
Well, I don't know. I think it's one of two things. I'm going to try one thing first and see if that does it. And then there's another thing which I probably think that's what it is. But we need the computer to do that, and we can do that in the next episode.
Computer?
Yeah.
Oh, blimey. Right, okay.
So should I explain what's what then?
Explain what's what. Go on then.
Basically, the boot won't open on the fob or the boot button. And I think they call it valet mode. So you can open the boot from inside, but there isn't the pull cord like there is in the R50s. There isn't anything like that. And I've looked for a key to turn and bits and pieces in the dash, and it isn't there. But someone's lent me a new back door switch to try that. So literally unscrew it, plug it in, and then see if it does it.
Right.
And if it doesn't do it, I think it's probably the other thing, which is it's had a new battery on it, and I didn't program the new battery into it. And I'm wondering if it's gone into valet mode because it's noticed that the battery's changed and it's started from a different source. Right. So it thinks it's all right, bloody hell.
And valet mode being that where
it locks the boot so you can't get in it. BMWs do it as well.
So if you've got any Rolex watches or like rolls of money,
it just locks it because it thinks the car's being broken into.
Right, there you go.
Because BMW, I think they've got a key in the back of something, haven't they? And inside there's a key slot inside the armrest in BMW them series or whatever they are, I think. And you'd go in there and you turn it and unlocks it, and it stops that. So it's either one or two. It's either the boot, because I think everything goes back to that boot switch, you know, the fob and everything. So it's either that, but I tend to think that it's the battery. I'm pretty certain it's the battery. Because you have to reprogram everything, because I changed the cam sensors on it because I kept coming up with a half engine fault light. So I changed the cam sensors, which I should have filmed that really. And I had to reprogram, get rid of all the data from the old cam sensors, and so then it's learning from the new cam sensors, and it cleared it. But that was a bit of a rigmarole, and I was just sort of playing with it. I didn't really know what I was doing, so I didn't really want to film that. But
fair enough.
It might be the same thing with the battery. I think we've got to reprogram the new battery to it, and that'll stop that.
Well, and you can just do that with an OBD reader or something, innit?
I should just stay there.
Oh, you don't want me to move then?
No.
Even though I am.
I've got the old top Don thing, because I've got to program a new key to it as well, which I think that can do on that now.
Right.
So it's just you just plug it into the OBD, but it's really good. This is, you know, you've got your scans and all that.
Right.
So, and you know, and if you put a new battery on it, you know, you can go through.
So you can do all that.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Right. But
yes.
First port of call then.
Well, seeing as
First port of call. It's going to be one of these things then. Yeah. Right. Right. So where are we going to get one of them locks from then? Oh, hello. That's handy, isn't it? I tell you what, Amazon are getting even quicker, aren't they? Right, so what's the first things first then? First things first.
Yes, a T15, I call them Tarocs, but I don't know if I call them Tarocs
before,
yeah. Yeah. Torques, I call them
little six-sided star thing, aren't they, for people like me?
Torques, T15 Torques.
Right.
Yeah. So I'll open this up first and see what's what. I hope it's the right thing. Actually, I've got to be careful how I open this, haven't I? Because you want to tape it back up again. Oh no, it's all stuck. Why do they do that? It's all stuck, look. The box is all stuck.
Well, they don't want it to fall out, do they?
Oh, bollocks.
What about using a knife? Call that a knife?
That's a knife.
That's a knife. Actually, no, perhaps it isn't. Oh no, perhaps I've just been a plonker. There we go. Okay. I've got to put the box out of the way so the dog doesn't chew the box. Because everything's been a game this evening, hasn't it? There's going to be some tape on it somewhere.
Mind you though, it's quite a nice weather out here tonight, isn't it? It's been the hottest day of the year so far today, isn't it?
Sorry, Mike. Ladies and gentlemen, he's turning into Mike Brewer.
Wow.
And I'm turning into Sid James.
You want to put some talcum powder on them.
Very fun.
Hold your hand out, son. You got a deal. You bought yourself a motor.
So,
What?
so this isn't just.
Say what you. What are you trying to say?
I thought you just bought a little lock.
No.
You know, like a little kind of
No,
lock.
because this is the put. I'll show you. When I finally get it unwrapped, I'll show you.
Oh, hello.
Right.
You
You
have to buy the whole piece.
Yeah.
The whole. Right.
It's cheap because what happens is water gets it. I might actually leave it. If it does do it, I'll leave the black on there instead of having the colour. It looks quite nice.
Well, it sort of matches all the black at the top,
Right,
doesn't
so
it?
bring your camera into here.
All right, I'm coming. Right.
See, all
What am I looking at?
under this rubber button, that's the switch for it. There's all circuit boards under there, and water gets into there and ruins the circuit board and burns it out.
Right.
Now I've looked for fuses and everything. I couldn't find any fuses that have gone. So, does the remote signal come back to this here, and then open it? And the button obviously opens it. Is that why it's not working? Because that circuit board is buggered, or is it because the battery hasn't been programmed to the car? It's either one or the two, I reckon, because there aren't any fuses or relays gone because I've looked.
Right.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Right. So unscrew it then.
So how'd you get that off then?
4 screws. One under twat.
Where are they? Can't even see them.
Up and under, as Eddie Waring would say. Was it Eddie Waring?
It was Eddie Waring up and under, wasn't it?
Up and under, yeah.
Four screws,
Yeah.
not 4 candles.
No. Had air around it, I'd have got that on there straight away. Probably can't say that. I'm going to sit down.
You're going to sit down, are you?
I won't be able to get up again, but I'll sit down. Well, me weight, Mark, me diet.
Oh, you're going to talk about your diet,
Yeah.
are you? Now.
I've lost it all off my shoulders at the moment. I've lost a stone, but I've lost it all off my shoulders.
What, half a stone on each side? Because you've got 2 shoulders,
Oh,
haven't
I
you?
didn't realise there's tumbleweed up
Well,
here.
no.
Didn't realise it's
like-
summer already.
No, like half a stone there, look. And half a stone there.
Who's Arthur?
Oh, easy.
Kip. Yeah. Right, so let's number 3. Oh. I must admit, now I've got it working, I took it up the road the other night. How does that go? Quick. Put it in sport mode.
You did keep the speed limit though, didn't you?
Obviously.
Yeah. You just got to 50 mile an hour quicker.
I did. Yes. Look, there we go. Look, so that's that off. So I'll put those down there so we lose them.
Do you want a little pot to put them in?
I haven't got one to. What?
Haven't you? Right.
Right. No, that's fine. Look, there we go.
Hang
look.
on. Where are we going? Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. But is that supposed to be moving like that?
So just one cable then, is it?
Yeah. Now, does that pop up or push down?
Or has it got a little push in?
I don't know if it pops up or I ain't got a flat screwdriver. So I'll get my knife again. Got to try and get up now. Try and get up. See, look. I'll see if the other one moves about like that. But should that move about like that? Oh. Is it push or? Oh, what does it do?
Putting up a fight, isn't it?
It is. Let's have a look at the other one. See what the other one says. And that whole thing comes out. Look. So is that thing there? So does that push down and then pull? Ah, yeah, pushes down. So that pushes down. Pushes down.
What happens?
Push it, baby. So if I wanted to keep the blue back onto it,
Yeah.
just swap them out.
Oh,
they
of
just
course
ping
you
out.
can,
Look,
yeah.
look. They just ping out. Look.
Yeah.
So just lift those up with a screwdriver and that comes off. But I quite like the gloss black. I think it looks.
Oh, it is
quite,
gloss black, is it?
Yeah.
That might look nice with all
Yeah.
the boot and the roof and the...
I might put it on anyway. Right, plugging in. I'm going in.
What, and is this it?
I'm going in, yeah, and that's it. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So she's plugged in.
No, that ain't going to do it, surely. It's not even the lock or anything, is it?
I don't think so. I think it's because the battery ain't been programmed in. Right, let me get that. Right.
It can't be that quick a fix.
Right, it's plugged in. Right, should we try it?
There's no lock mechanism changed or anything.
No.
What does that strap even do then? It's only the lights, isn't it, on the number plate?
It's not doing it. I think that's in valley mode because I've changed the battery. That's what I think that is. See if it does it on. Actually, what I do is I lock it. I lock it.
Does the boot even make a noise when you do that?
No. See, I'm pressing the boot opener and it's not opening. I think it's in that valley mode. Or valet mode.
Can't even hear it clicking, can you?
No. I think it's that valley mode, but there's nothing on the internet to say what it is. I've tried looking. You've tried looking as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
So I reckon that's that battery, the new battery. But I'm going to put that on there anyway because I think it looks nicer than that one. I'll keep that when I get rid of the car. I'll put that in the boot so they can.
Well, do you want to screw it up there? Then we can have a look, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Do you want to finish it off the latch?
Can do. Right, so yes, so that could be that then. Must be the battery then.
Right.
I screw that back up.
Screw it on, we can have a look, see what it looks like. What we can do, when you screw it on...
You used to say, look, I should really clean it off, but I ain't got nothing to clean it off with.
What, bit of panel wipe?
I haven't got, no, it's at home because I'm cleaning the trailer tent to sell that, to pay the... I've got to sell this and my trailer tent and my other van because of the chuffing tax man. Pension... You didn't tell me that it affects your income when you take pension out. Of course, then I was off for about 6 months with my finger and my leg when I had sepsis and took all that pension out, and that's, of course, this, mind you saying that, I might get it back soon, so I don't know yet, but it's a bit nasty, isn't it, and them not telling me.
What, you vented your anger now then?
Yeah, I'm all right
you
now.
Vented now, have
so
you?
Don't go to pension.
Oh, hello. Hello. We might have to bleep that out. Might be libel there.
I might have some household cleaner. I'll do that.
Well, you might have a bit of elbow grease in there.
Yeah. See, look.
See the way you're getting up.
Weight, you see, I've never been able to do that 3 weeks ago.
You're getting up like a spring chicken, aren't you?
Anyway, I'll get some cleaner. Found some Sif.
Sif, Jif, whatever it was.
Used to be Jif, didn't it? Oh, that's coming up lovely. Apart from that bit. As you would say, it's coming up a treat. It's coming up a treat.
No need for that, is there?
That's a bit better anyway, isn't it? Don't really matter because we buy any car in it. Right, okay, good. Right, let's get that in there, slot that back in there, slot that bit back in there. That's it, that goes on there like that. And then go in there like that, come on. We'll get that started. We'll get that started first. Get this started. There we go, she's in, she's started, she's in. It's one. We're doing it with paint then, isn't it? Right. Yeah, so if anyone has any idea, there isn't a pull cord inside because it doesn't have it. So do you want to peel this off or should I?
You go on, you have the honour. Oh, hello, look at that.
See, I think that looks quite nice. Doesn't it?
It does, because it's all part of the black windows and the black roofs and all that sort of thing.
Like an accent. So blue or black, in the comments. In the comments, please.
Blue or black?
Yes.
Nice and simple.
Yeah.
Black or blue?
Blue or black?
Or black.
Black or blue, blue or black.
Right.
Mark's going to be black and blue in a minute.
Right. Should we go with some beauty shots now then?
Yeah. give the old Tommy Tooter a go next time then, shall we?
Yeah, because it's going to take a bit of time, is it?
Well, I want to investigate it a little bit first. I don't want to just try and plug it in now and have a go, because I don't think it's got a memory on it. So if you alter anything, I don't think it's got a memory to go back with.
Right.
But then again, it might do. I don't know enough about it. I haven't had it all that long. So
you want to do a bit of homework first?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you might look a right Charlie like me. Yeah.
You don't look a right Charlie. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We get the computer out next time and we'll have a go at this reprogramming the battery to see if that's what it is. I think it is. If someone's got a better idea, let us know in the comments. That'd be fantastic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, give us a lovely thumbs up and a lovely comment. Be very much appreciated. Thank you very much indeed.
What's the matter?
What are you doing?
Playing a little song.
If anyone can guess what the song is that he's playing, make a nice comment. Yeah, a nice comment. And you could win a prize. You could win a prize.
That works, doesn't it? You can't see that, can you?
No.
What, so where are we going to get one of them? No, I pointed at it, didn't I?
Just do your normal voice. You don't have to be overexcited. That's what you're doing. You don't need to do that.
Hello, the Mini. Is that too much? Is that? I go. Is that all right?